And it was exactly 1 year ago today when 13 tornadoes touched down in Iowa. The damage affected Norwalk, Newton, Leon, Garden Grove, Homestead, Allerton, and many other rural communities in the state. 6 people lost their lives when an EF4 tornado hit south of Winterset. It was the strongest tornado in Iowa since 2013. Another person died near Sheridan at Red Hawk State Park. This was the deadliest tornado event in Iowa since the EF5 tornado hit Parkersburg in 2008. And the community of Winterset is still rebuilding after a year.